Sony has officially unveiled at MWC 2018 their latest flagship smartphones, the Xperia XZ2 and its smaller sibling, the Xperia XZ2 Compact. Both have redesigned bodies and improved internals compared to their predecessors. Hi guys, this is Kim of Yuga Tech. Let's go hands-on with these two new devices to see what they have to offer. One of the first things you'll notice about the Xperia XZ2 and XZ2 Compact is its new design. Both have 18:9 screens with top and bottom bezels, which fans have been wanting in an Xperia smartphone since last year. When it comes to design, the Xperia XZ2 and XZ2 Compact uses a new design language called Ambient Flow, which implements more curves compared to the previous Xperia designs. The XZ2 has Gorilla Glass 5 on the front and back, which curves nicely to the frame for a seamless feel. The Xperia XZ Compact, on the other hand, only has Gorilla Glass 5 on the front, while the back has a metallic finish. Both have IP65 or IP68 water and dust resistance. When it comes to dimensions, the Xperia XZ2 is slimmer at 11.1mm, while the XZ2 Compact is rounder and chunkier at 12.1mm. The XZ2 is taller given the 5.7-inch display, while the XZ2 Compact is shorter with its 5-inch display. Speaking of the display, both devices sport the same HDR display with Full HD Plus resolution, Tri-Luminous display for mobile, X-Reality for mobile, and Dynamic Contrast Enhancer. Both sport the same powerful 19-megapixel Motion Eye rear camera that is capable of 4K HDR movie recording and 960 FPS super slow motion video in Full HD or HD resolutions. Selfies, on the other hand, are handled by the 5-megapixel camera with wide-angle lens. Other features include the 64GB of UFS storage, 4G LTE, rear-mounted fingerprint scanner, USB Type-C port, stereo speaker with S-Force front surround, and high-resolution audio support. Powering both devices is Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 mobile platform, 4GB of RAM, and Android 8.0 Oreo. Battery-wise, the XZ2 carries a larger 3180 mAh battery, while the XZ2 Compact has 2870 mAh. Both have support for QNOVO adaptive charging and Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. The XZ2, however, has support for wireless charging. Both will ship beginning March. And that sums up our hands-on of the Xperia XZ2 and XZ2 Compact, and we're looking forward to reviewing these devices soon. Again, this is Kim of Yuga Tech, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!